sobrang hirap kasi sa amin na yung momentum eh, fourth quarter. Tapos yun nga, pag pinibra ka talaga kalaban, di ka basta-basta. Sabi din namin turnovers, miss free throws, kaya
Kamusta lang yung pagdidepensa mo kay Justin kanina? So, medyo successful ka naman sa single coverage pero eventually
Justin is Justin talaga eh. Grabe yung ginawa ni Justin. May mga instance kasi na may open shots siya eh. Yun yung sayang eh. Okay sana kung one-on-one. Kaso lang may mga mali pa rin kami sa game plan. May mga open shots siya na hindi siya napapagod.
Coach, gano'n lang ka-crucial kasi kanina parang nawala kayo sa EPs in the tandem arbitration.
Sobrang crucial ni Brandon kasi kailangan talaga namin siya. Rebound, depensa. Siya nga yung depensa ni RJ, di ba? So, na-injured pa. So, ganun talaga yung buhay.
Rogs, kasi down na kayo before the 3-2 and able to win last season lang. So, yung kumusta yung mood kanina? Naiisip nyo na ba yun yung nangyari din last season?
Oo. Galing din kami ganito, no? Dati na 3-2. Pero sa trabaho yun lang namin, walang imposible kasi hindi pa naman, sabi ko na nga, unang makaapat eh, sa tatlo pa naman, so may chance pa. Thank you.
What's on your mind right now after today's game?
Just get prepared for the next game. That's really it.
And in the overtime, you missed like 3 free throws. What can you say about that? Is that fatigue?
It happens. It's basketball. I miss free throws. On to the next game.
And in order for you guys to, the Nationals already one game away from winning the championship. What does it take for you guys to stop them from doing that?
It's still a series. It's still not over. We still got a game Sunday, so we can go to practice tomorrow and recuperate and see what works.